Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. You click on settings, this first page of settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Tubi and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.